guys, Tina here. Today I'm gonna share you this recipe hack. It is the peppermint brownie hack. I call it hack because I will be using brownie mix from the box and adding candy canes to give the peppermint flavor. It is so easy and you only need 5 ingredients. What are you waiting for? Let's bake it! Here I have large bowl. I'm gonna add the brownie mix. Next, I'm gonna add the eggs and oil. Lastly, water. And now I'm gonna mix everything together. Oh, by the way, I got all of these ingredients through SideChef platform. You can check the link below and then you will get all the ingredients. We're gonna add the crushed candy canes into the mixture. Use a spatula to mix until well combined. Our mixture is ready and we have a greased parchment lined baking tin here. I'm going to pour them in. Now smooth on top and also spread the mixture around the baking tin. Now it's time to bake. You just need to bake according to the brownie package direction. Mine is gonna take about 20 to 25 minutes. Here we have our brownies. It looks great. And now I'm gonna sprinkle on top with the crushed candy cane while it's still really hot because you just want it to stick a little bit on top of the brownie. Then I'm gonna transfer to the wire rack to let them cool down completely. Now that our brownie is completely cool, I'm gonna cut into equal pieces. Just try your best. Oh my god, guys, look at this amazing brownie. It looks so pretty from outside and of course delicious. It is the perfect dessert for holiday season. If you guys want to check the full recipe, click the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave some comment and turn on your notification so that you don't miss our new recipe. See you next time. Happy holiday!